perhaps we should discuss our relationship.
Okay, good. Let's do it at my house. I have some wedding dress pictures I'd like to show you.
Actually, I was thinking we should have some space.
Space? What do you mean, space?
Well, I think... Did you just pull out some of my hair?
Why would I pull out some of your hair? Wait a minute. Space. Space, are you breaking up with me?
No, why would I do that?
You are. You're breaking up with me.
We're not ending a courtship. I just want some space.
So you could be with Nora, or Miss Bell, or any of your other girlfriends?
No.
You think I'm blind. I know what they think, and they're not going to get you. Do you understand me? We're soulmates.
See, this is the little leading on the pail. Are those handcuffs?
And we're going to be together forever.
This isn't what I imagined being in a relationship with you.
Oh, my baby. My sweet baby. I understand now. I just need to restore your memory of all the great times we've had together. Look at these pictures. We were so happy.
These appear to be of me sleeping at night.
You sleep so
How many of these have you taken?
And look, here's one of your dog, Spencer.
I thought he was ran over by an automobile.
No, I just staged that so I could give him to you as a present. I mean, imagine how awesome it would be. You, me, and Spencer, still alive.
You're sick.
If me being in love with you is sick, I don't ever want to be well. Look at this thing. I call it Sherman.
Is that thing composed of my hair?
I've been gathering them for a few months now. When we can't be together, I just squeeze and smell Sherman here, and we're together. And now, we're going to be together forever.
What are you doing? No, really, Evan, what are you doing?
I always knew this day would come, when you'd reject our love, but you won't succeed that easily. Did you know Romeo and Juliet were together forever in the afterlife?
See, I have a fairly good idea where I'm taking the afterlife. I prefer not to go there.
Well, I'll go there with you right now.
See... Help, where are my Pokemon cards? Where are they?
Is there a Pokemon card for love? Because that's the one I'll be playing.
No, listen, Amber, I love you.
How much?
This much. See, as much as a beach whale loves returning to the ocean, as much as a middle school girl loves vampire love stories, I love you like chocolate pudding.
I love you like chocolate pudding.
See, and I'll show you too. Just give me the cards back.
Okay.